clear. Whatever that is in there dies.
No, 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 por favor, no. What the hell?
It's taken human form.
You are high out of your mind. That is clearly a Mexican.
Do you speak Spanish? Did you understand anything you just said? Because I didn't.
Okay, Mr. Conspiracy Theory, why don't you interrogate the suspect? Whoa!
Tienen que ayudarme, por favor.
Por favor, ayúdame.
Mi familia. Please.
Un momento. Dude, are you sure this guy's an alien?
Sure as shit, man. He's trying to gain our trust. Let's blow his brains out and sort it out later.
I don't like this dude.
I have an idea.
Now what? This was a terrible idea.